most kids, they may enjoy playing with their snacks during snack time. They also like to sort and count their snacks, so why not further the connection between counting and numbers with this easy game? These easy number quantity cards allow kids to count out any type of snack. This helps with one-on-one correspondence, which is a very important early math skill. You can use Cheerios cereal or your kids' favorite fruit snacks. I have attached a link below in the description box that will allow you to print out a set of cards. These can be laminated and added to your daily math activities. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.